तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? वेलकम यू ऑल इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल कोडिंग बाय फन एंड चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So today's topic is geometric progression. So we will just cover the basic part of it. So let's start. So this is the definition over here, but I'm interested in example, right? So here we are looking at the series 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So if the ratio of two elements to contiguous elements is same, let's say 4 divided by 2 is equals to 8 divided by 4, and similarly 16 divided by 8 and also 32 divided by 16 is 2, means all the contiguous elements ratio is same, then you can say it's a GP series or the geometric progression series. So consider another series 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and similarly on, so on. You will find the ratio like 1 by 2 divided by 1, 1 by 4 divided by 2, 1 by 2 and so on. You will get 1 by 2 as the common ratio. So the common ratio is same for all the elements, so you can say it's a GP series, right? So let's see the finite and infinite GP progression. So if you know the first and the last element and it's a finite GP, let's say here you can see A is the first element, A is the first element, and you can see the AR to the power n minus 1. So it's a last element, so it's a finite GP as you know the first and last. But if you don't know the last element, then it's an infinite GP, right? So let's move on. And this is sum of n terms of a GP. This is the derivation of that formula, but we are not interested in derivation. Just mug up this formula as sum of n terms is equals to A into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So r is the common ratio between the elements and it should not be 1, otherwise this part will be infinity. So just remember this condition and let's move on. Yeah, this is the example for the GP, as if nth term of the GP is 192, then what is the value of n? So we have to find the n, that is the which term is 192. So this is the formula for an is equals to a into r to the power n minus 1 is to find the nth term of the GP. This is the formula for it. So here we can see the common ratio is 6 divided by 3, that's 2, as already given it's a GP series. So and also the first term is 3, so a is equals to 3, and nth term is already given, that is 192. So just put all the values here. 192 is equals to 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1. So divide 192 divided by 3 will go here down and it's 64. So you can write 64 as 2 to the power 6. So now you can equate the powers as n minus 1 is equals to 6 and n will be 7. So therefore 192 is 7th term of the GP, right? So let's move. So this is the homework part for you guys. 5th term and the 3rd term आपको find करना है GP की. Given है, so you have to find the 8th term. And similarly the example 3, that is you have to find the sum of 6th term of the GP. The GP is given. So guys, you can comment down the answers if you find, and if you find you may get any difficulties, you can comment down too. So let's move on to the harmonic progression and let's start. So the harmonic progression formula is to find the n term is 1 upon a plus n minus 1d. So you can say if there is a series in AP, then the one then if you will reciprocal the every element, then it will convert it into HP. So A is the first term of AP and it is the common difference and is the number of terms in AP. The HP formula is to find the n term is 1 upon n term of the corresponding AP. So if you will find the nth term of the AP, if you will reciprocal it, then it will be the nth term for the HP series, right? So and this is for the finding the sum of the n terms. It's a formula 1 by d log 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d upon 2a minus d, right? So as the first term, similarly it's an you can solve it as an AP and just reciprocal it, you will get the answer for the HP series. So this is another homework for you guys. It's an HP question, like compute the 16th term of HP if the 6th and 11th term of an HP are 10 and 80. So I'm giving you a hint. So 6th and 11th term of HP are 10 and 18. So 6th and 11th term of AP, that is arithmetic progression, are 1 by 10 and 1 by 18. So similarly solve it by using the formulas of AP, then just reciprocal it, you will get the 16th term of HP. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video you can share with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so that नेक्स्ट वीडियो का आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा और आप ऐसे ही बने रहे, देखते रहिए. बाय बाय, सी यू.